According to passwordresearch.com, 80% of data breaches are linked to weak or reused login credentials, and 61% of people use the same password for multiple online accounts. The UX design in login has become increasingly relevant as companies work hard to protect their customers' security of online assets. You can use several tips to improve the user's experience for password security. When users register for an account, you should encourage them to use complicated passwords by telling them why secure passwords are essential. You can use real-world cyber breach stats and warning phrases to discourage reusing passwords. Once your users are aware of the risk of weak passwords, try to guide them through the process. Have clear and indicative new password rules such as character counts, upper and lower cases, a number, the requirement for special characters, things like that. Alternatively, you should also consider other ways that users can log in without the hassle of remembering a password. Many universities and organizations now use SSO to verify user identities. Sign in by Google is a good example. Users can use their Google account to access multiple third-party services without the need for a password. Also, you may use fingerprints and facial recognition technologies to identify users. Sign in with Apple is a good feature that combines SSO and biometric identification. The mechanism utilizes Face ID or Touch ID to securely verify users and help them log in with one push. Finally, encourage and guide your users to enable two-factor authentication as an extra layer of security. In addition to an existing pair of login credentials, users need to provide the random number generated on a third-party app like Microsoft Authenticator. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.